Lakas. Core ka na ko, Gilly. Kuya Gilly. Mag-core na ikaw. Hello, one good night please. Good night, Jutsi na 19. Ako'y laro ka na naman. Bakit bawal po dyan? With viewers na naman. Pag nag-online ako, to invite na naman ako. Wow! What's up, Ellie? Gilly! Use! Wala na nga ni. Full na, guys. You're fine. Oh, thank you so much. Mag-core siya na. Lo. Kick mo nga yan. Toxinizer. Mythic na yun. Wow. Mag-adjust ka na lang. Mag-extend ka na. Ayaw ni Zing. Pakik nga si Zing. Kulit eh. I love your voice. Oh, thank you so much for appreciating my voice. Aga mag-live ah. Kaya nga eh. Kailangan natin matulog na maaga. Magbabagong buhay na tayo, guys. What's up, Leveless? You're welcome. Oh. Jiran oras ka na matutulog. Hanggang alauna lang tayo ngayon. Hindi na ako magpupit, guys. Your hair looks good. It's natural. Hey. Natural. Talaga ba, Jiro? Oo, talaga. Literal na umaga. Siyempre. Grabe talaga si Kijili, oh. Agnas. Wait lang, hindi ko talaga marinig yung game. Ako'y alipin ng pag-ibig mo. Hanggang kasi yung Eve. Wait lang ha. Wala kayo naririnig sa sa ML. Wait nga lang. Manonood pa rin ang live mo kahit may sakit ka. Pahinga ka na lang. Naka-live.
They call me a hero because I saved my nation from falling apart.
Hi, Michika. What's up?
Please pick a hero.
Hindi ako nintay. Sorry ha. Kasama namin sila kay Jilly. Show first. Grabe ka na. YSS pa nga. Hindi ako sinali. Sorry na, sir. Mamaya na. 5 man kayo. Yeah.
The enemy is
Yes, Nicole. May onyx skin ka, kuya. Wala eh. Bibigyan mo ba ako? Hindi, joke lang. Glasses suit you. Yeah. This may glasses talaga. Meron siyang grado.
Please pick a hero.
Ang gagamitin ko. What should I use, guys? I don't know what to use.
I fear no
Crowned by
dragon,
heaven's
for I
mandate,
am the
the
invincible.
enemy
Tira ka na ng
shall
glass, no?
endure.
Ayoko nga. Mahal-mahal na itong glass na to, bibigay ko lang sa'yo. Uy, hello, Kanade. What's up? At Kanade. Joy. Anong Joy? Joy yung panghugas. Sali yan, di ako sali. Damo ka lang, James. Lagi ka naman late. Kulang ang gabi kapag di nang live si Jero. Kaya nga eh. Diba? Ano na? Wala pala tayo music ngayon, no? Shot puno agad. Ano nangyari ba sa camera ko? Nagkakaroon. Masyadong maliwanag to.
Sa karagatan ng mga tao, ikaw ang nakikita ko. Sa mga labing aking nahalikan, hanap ko ang sayo.
Diba? Sarap ng ganitong kanta kapag ano.
Ay sobrang
Kapag, alam niyo yun,
Welcome to Mobile Legends!
pag maulan.
sobrang daming
5
kita
seconds till the
na
enemy
aking
reaches the victory
nakikita.
calling.
Hello, Chaska, what's up? Chill. Teka lang ka pa magkakaroon ng moderator. Di ko rin alam eh.
Saving the world 101.
Pag nag-meet kami ni Ate Queenie, papatulong ako.
Tayo
Manay tayo.
To expect a standing
Di na kita pipilitin. Kakaiba sa akin ay oh, diba?
Let's have a drill.
Ikaw ang aking buwan, at alam mo bang ikaw rin ang mundo ko.
Hirap pa tayo naman ganyang kanta.
Oh, minahal
Initiate retreat, okay.
sa gusto ko.
I am a swordsman and poet.
Initiate retreat, okay.
Saboy.
That was amazing.
Tumay po ng the lives. Thank you.
Alam mo bang ikaw ang siyang hangin na
Cold mo naman. Sorry ha. Ang lamig. Sakit naman ang kanta, Jiro ha. Ganda kaya makinig ng mga kanta habang naglalaro, diba? Mga ganyan. RG Ben, sa Maurice Press. Yeah. Patay sila sa ano.
Sinabi mo sa akin na baka sa buhay natin tayo hindi para sa isa't isa.
Ha! A good practice dummy.
Ginusto kong lumipat sa susunod na habang buhay. Doon tayo.
Turtle tayo, Zeng. Ay, hindi pala Zeng.
Sorry. We can
Huwag mo
still win.
sanang kalimutan na sa puso ko ay laging andyan ka. Nakikita kita sa kinabukasan ko. Kahit di mo ako makita sa
Back na. Nakuha ko ni Turtle. Blue tayo. Blue.
Kay Pobla, shot,
Shot.
puno,
Oh, Pobla. Shot.
Pobla, shot, puno, Pobla, shot, puno, Pobla, puno,
Pobla. Shot. Aray ko! Aray. Wala akong tutok ngayon. What's happening?
This fits my dragon spirit.
Oh, biglang ganun.
Oh, there's not ready.
I love this song. Wala, di pa namatay yun.
You have slain an enemy. Ult is not ready.
Pag kinausap,
An enemy has been slain.
masagot,
Ult is not ready.
ingay, lagot. Hindi
Hindi ko naman katang. Hindi ko pa alam yung lyrics. Galing talaga.
ang hindi ko
Retreat from the tunnel.
makan.
Back.
Nung kamay, handa kong mabuhay sa aking
Ult is ready.
kalukuhan.
Play ka, boy. Ka. Yes, galing.
Triple kill.
Random na playlist, Jiro. Kaya nga eh.
Munting
Sorry.
ligayang iyong hati.
Takbo, Ajili.
Dahan-dahan
Takbo, boy.
Rampage.
darating.
You're behind in gold.
I love you. Thank you so much. Hello, Nirin. What's up, Jilu? Nag-game na siya, kaya nga eh.
Masisilayan. Dahan-dahan. Bilisan.
Ay, fuck up! Ay! Bawal ako mamatay, boy!
Di ka mamatay kung hindi ko mahawakan
Ang iyong kamay.
Handa kong harapin ang kasinungalingan Kung wala ka sa aking
Ano main hero, mag hero?
walang kakulangan.
Fusion po. Agaw man nakikira. Ako lang alas 11 na ako. Pwede sumali, yeah!
Our turret has been destroyed.
Wala.
Our turret is under attack.
Bay na naman ako guys ang walang kalaban-laban, oh. Diba? Tayo mo! Mag-min... Ay, natin ako na moderator. Equal lahat ng nakakainis na nagko-comment. Yan ang gusto ko sa'yo, Stacy.
Enemy rampage.
Nax na gamer na yan siya, ha. Tara sa gift na, libre ko. Ako na pupunta dyan kahit malaya. Ako taga-papa. Okay lang yan.
is awakened.
Di na
Our turret
First game,
has
first
been
game.
destroyed. Is not ready.
First game.
ako'y maligaya
Ult is not ready.
Ayoko na, ayoko na, ayoko na.
Nasa akin
Kalma, boy.
inaaminin
Birth control. You have slain an enemy. Launch attack.
Di na aasang
Wait lang, guys. Kamba ko lang to.
ako'y niligaya
Ko naman yata di ka mamatay kung hindi.
Bawasan ng iyong kamay Handa kong
Nice.
mabuhay sa
Kaya pa.
aking kalooban
Tanking.
Kaya pa.
Kung wala ka sa aking buhay Walang kalungkutan
Ko na
Tanggap ang
Iba na yung lyrics. Galing.
kung sandi
Understood.
ko mahawakan ng iyong kamay Handa ko harapin ka walang kaliyakan
Saboy.
Kahit na takot sa
Sakti niya, boy.
kalikasan.
Takbo!
Slain.
Hala! Takbo!
Ult is not ready.
Kalma, boy! Oh my god, Jiras, Yanika. Nasa kwarto po.
Ult is not ready.
Ito lang ang take ko lahat ng mga nagkakamit dito. Giasan daw si Yanika. Nasa ano nga ni? Nasa kwarto nga ni. Paulit-ulit naman.
Launch attack. Initiate retreat. Okay. West back.
Takbo!
Ult is not ready. Initiate retreat. Request backup.
Kayo kasi... Hindi, kamba ko lang to guys. Kaya naman to.
Turret is under attack.
Swordsmanship plus 1.
Ult is not ready.
Gusto...
Ult is not ready.
Yun lang. Ako natira. Bag. Schedule pala. Akala ko kasi. Meron pa silang ganap. Oh, di ba meron pa nga kaming ganap. Sali niya yan sa Onyx Age. Di malaya. Oras ay lumilip.
Enemy has slain Lord.
Mapasabayin ko malayag ko. Lumalayag?
Bawat kilig na nadarama sa tuwing hawak ang iyong kamay.
Our turret is under
Hindi
attack.
rin niya sumusugod mag-isa. Kaya nga eh.
Ult is ready.
Hindi rin sumusugod eh.
Slain an enemy.
Babugo kayo dyan oh.
Initiate retreat.
Para ubos lahat ng lahi. Gusto din. Ayan na! Ayan na! Sabi ko niyo. Back na. May lord.
Initiate retreat.
Ubos kami doon ah. May Fury pala. Oo. Sino ka Fury? Hari.
Good practice.
Simula ang katuloy wala.
Our inhibitor turret is under attack.
Sabik sa umpisa, pusong nag-iisa.
Pasensya ka
Our
na.
turret is
Sakay niyan.
Bakit hangin season ito? Wari dalalang
initiate retreat.
mamahal sa'yo.
Break initiation.
Panaginip ko ito at sa wakas
Tamang recall lang tayo.
sa'yo.
Lalayo sa sumabay sa agos na isinulat ng tadhana. Minsan siya'y para sa iyo, pero minsan siya'y paasa. Tatakbo papalayo, kakalimutan.
Para nating hamay.
Aray ko, kita pala kami dun.
Gather us north.
Susuyaban ng kapon
Your team destroyed a turret.
sa aking bawat paghinga.
Our turret is under attack. Okay,
Pasensya ka na.
request backup.
Hangin
Request backup.
Sakit niya. Nice. Kaya mo. Sige, dami yan. Lakas ni Kuya din.
Di ba nga ito yung
Initiate retreat. Team destroyed a turret. Launch attack.
Patay ka ngayon. Lakas si Kuya din. Mag 5v5 ba mamaya? Gusto niyo ba mag 5v5 ulit?
Gather at the Lord.
Attack the Lord. Attack the Lord. Okay.
5v5 ba? Gusto niyo? Yorobon, tulog na imita.
Gather at the Lord.
Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Team destroyed a turret. Enemy's ally has slain an enemy. Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed a turret.
Wala na yung Sky Piercer mo.
Ally has been slain.
Wala na, Quinta. Kung cheat niya ba yung down na nalutuin niyo. Hindi ko ka mahanap eh. Jeep na 5v5 pasali. 5v5 pasali. Diba? Sige. 5v5 tayo. Grrr. Okay. Patay.
Unstoppable.
Brilliant healing. That was amazing.
Initiate retreat.
Instant kill. Great initiation.
No, brother. Don't kill me.
Initiate retreat.
Confirm damage.
Don't kill me. Killing is bad. Oh my god, I'm dead. I'm dead! Why you kill me? Pa-request na nga lang dito. Okay. Nalan.
Superb tanking.
Your team destroyed the turret.
Nalan mo. Nalan mo, di yung nalan.
Retreat.
Ano? Pakakot laro. Siya, taray ko. Aray ko direct.
Understood.
Pasali ulit yan si Giro. Ang singing. Ay, ito rin daw ulit siya ng Giro. Ayoko nga. Grabe no.
Shut down. Initiate retreat. Understood. Initiate retreat.
Understood.
Ay. Game 5v5 na. Yay. May walang protection. Aray ko. Kalma. Game. Okay, request kayo. Dami. Okay na yan. Si Jammer, rakyat na lang natin to.
Your team is banning.
Hello, my friend.
The enemy is banning.
Thorns remain.
Your team is
Hello,
banning.
hot Ethan.
Ready, go!
The enemy is picking.
Random na playlist ko, sorry ah. Ito na nga eh. Sige ba playlist ko talaga?
Pick a hero.
Love outshines the golden crown. Sweet adventures.
The enemy is picking.
Kada hakbang sa lupa'y para akong inaalon at nalulunod sa batikos ng mundo sa kung ano lamang ang kaya ko. Ikaw bigay sa
You guys are using your side.
ay mas
Your talent is picking.
parang wala nang bukas.
Practice.
Pwede ba
12 na, hanggang 1 na tayo ah. Wait lang.
Oo, pagod ka na.
Practice ako mag-link guys.
I shall reclaim what I deserve, nothing more.
Tanggalin ng maskara at hayaang tumulog ang bumabad siyang mga luha. Dahan-dahang iwan ang mukha upang maslayan ang mga taong kay pinapakalap sa loob.
Healthy living na ba ako? Okay. Bagong buhay na tayo guys. Kailangan natin yan.
First blood.
Ay, sabihin
Gusto gusto rin ako patayin.
Request backup. Understood.
Asa?
Enemy reached level 4.
You can't evade me.
Understood.
As the wind.
Okay.
Bibitaw ng mainan ako kay tulo kaya ng ating mga kapunan tinatayang ayusin lang. Yung nga to, play ko na nga yung lyrics. Ayun, lyrics.
Life's better.
It was just two lovers sitting in the car, listening to Blonde, falling for each other. Picking on sides, feeling super jealous. Got no brother.
Understood.
Missed call from my mother. Where you at tonight? Got no alibi. I was all alone.
All my life, I consider the scene.
My radiant feeling the night. I don't need no light.
Understood.
See ya. There you go.
You can't evade me.
Killing spree.
Uy, wala na siya.
Sa umaga, aking na makita. Di ako marunong kumanta pero para sa kanya harana, harana. Teka lang, bakit ba parang nasa tono tong aking gitara? Gusto ko lang naman sabihin na kalamahali kang yung ganda, malaya. Di magwawakas, tila parirala.
Oh, Diyos ko. Mga bang nasabi ko.
Sana di ka mawala sa aking sinta. I don't need no life, just need you. It's your
Ulit nito. Tamang chill lang.
Ally has slain the turtle. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready. Launch attack.
Understood.
Uy, gusto din.
I could say I never did think about you in that way, but I would be lying. And I'm happy for you when you find some food to take home. But I won't deny that in the midst of the crowds and the shapes in the clouds, I don't see nobody but you. In my rose-tinted dreams, wrinkles silk on my sheets, I don't see nobody but you. Boy, you got me hooked up to something. You say that they saw us coming and tell me, do you feel that love? Spend the summer of our lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place that your dreams told me. Do you feel that love? I could say I never understood those belief eyes inside my head, but that's what I'm there. Don't know what's come over me. It seems like yesterday
Hindi ako
when I
mapagutin na
said
maayos.
we'll be friends forever. Constellations of stars, mules on city walls. I don't see nobody but you. You're my vice, you're my muse. You're a 94 view. I don't see nobody but you.
Team destroy the turret.
To something who could say that they saw us come and tell me, do you feel that love? Spend the summer of our lifetime with me. Let me take you to the place where your yours is only. Do you feel the love? Boy, you got me hooked onto something. We say that they saw us come and tell me. Do you feel the love? Say the same all I tell when you play. They say yours is only. Do you feel the love?
Unstoppable.
Solo Finch.
Lalo na lang si Zeng. Talo ka na.
Godlike. Double kill.
Mga tuhod magkabila ang nangangabal kakaluon sa harapan ng salamin parang ibang panay ang tanong kung maaari bang masasak at mapasa iyo ako yes ang paborito kong dasal dalawang paninig lang ang pinaka-aasam pwede bang ako
Oo na ang sabi mo. Oo.
makasaya mo hanggang mahaba man ang prosesyon sa sambahan at sa simbahan pwede bang ako laang sabihin mo oo
Monster kill.
bago iparating sa'yo ang mga panalangin ilang beses ipinaalam sa itaas ang bulto maaari ba akong maging palagi po dito sa mundong mailap ang kasiguraduhan dalawang pag-ibig lang ang pinaka-aasam pwede bang
Eh.
Legendary.
makasaya mo gusto ko mahaba man ang prosesyon sa sambahan at sa simbahan pwede bang ako laang sabihin mo
Ay ka.
ama namin maaari kayang pagsakin pinaka-aasam ama namin maaari kayang
Double kill.
mapasakin pinaka-aasam pwede bang ako nalaan makasaya
Oo.
mahaba man ang prosesyon
Good night, Jella. Hello, Jessica. Hello, Uncle Reza. What's up?
pwede bang ako laaan sabihin mo
Uy, gusto niya rin. Gusto niya rin ako patayin.
sabihin mo
Hi, Ben. What's up? Diyan na ba? Malaro tayo minsan. Mamaya, wait lang.
Ally has been slain.
Each time we have a quarrel, it almost breaks my heart. Cause I'm so afraid that we will have
Tapang ka mo.
each night I
Legendary.
ask, why must I be
Double kill.
a teenager in love? One day I feel so happy, the next day I feel so sad. I guess I'll learn to take the good with the bad. 'Cause each night I ask the stars up above, why must I be a teenager in
Your team
love?
destroyed a turret.
I cried a tear for nobody but you. I'd be a lonely one if you should say we're through. Well, if you want to make me cry, that won't be so hard to do. If you should
Boy,
say
niyo dyan.
goodbye, I'll still go on loving you.
Go, go, go.
Ally has been slain.
I cried
Eh ba?
for nobody but you. I'll be a lonely one if you should say we're through. Well, if
You want to make me cry.
that won't be so hard to do. And if you should say goodbye, I'll still go on loving
Our turret is under attack.
each night. I ask the stars up above.
Our inhibitor turret is
Ilan nakuha nyo, no?
Be a teenager in love. Why must I be a teenager in love? Why must I be a teenager?
You have slain an enemy. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Your team destroyed a turret. An enemy has been slain.
Si ate.
I'll ask him
Eh ba?
back to it.
Victory!
Walang thrill, guys.
Lie a few
Aray ko.
nights asleep in my arms. Two souls
Diyan na kayo.
made one on endless sea, flowing ethereal and earthly. The joy on your lips is so different today. No,
Ay, ba?
I won't throw this away. 'Cause 10 years from now we'll look back at the photographs, happy with the choice that we made.
Ready.
And I'll kiss you good morning for every morning you stay.
Sure, mamansin ka naman. Sorry na, dyan ano balo mo? Ito na nga ni. Ito. Ayan. Ito balo ko.
If life were a
Your team is banned.
Jira, pag nag-battle shrimp ako, sagot mo yung shrimp. Loh, angos mo naman.
I
The enemy is banned.
get out
Mag-stay update pa rin kahit may sakit kasi naka-live ka. Yung links ni, our client, basta,
then let's try to
yung may sakit,
solve it.
matulog ka na.
Still waters run deep.
Follow ha, hindi kaya. Tandaan mo Jira, hanggang 1 ka lang nga bawal mag-extend. Hindi na ako mag-extend. What's up, Jo? Perfect attendance sa live ni Jira. See.
Let's make the whole world.
Alright.
The enemy is picking.
All the metaphors and let's dance.
Ito, kami chat. Bata, sige.
Please pick a hero.
No, I won't rush
Show.
Cause 10 years from now we'll look
Back at the photo.
photographs, happy with the choice that we made. And I'll kiss you ready to make some real money. Every morning you stay.
Fight. Fight for the ultimate answer. Sniper ready. Give me a target. Your team is picking. Your team is banning.
Don't you know what I would do? Oh, just to
Guys, magpa-funny ako. Oh my god, hindi ako marunong.
die with you.
Sir, what's your command? The enemy is banned.
Loh. Loh.
All who dare stand in my way
Your
will be
team is
devoured.
picking.
10 years from now, we'll look back at the photographs, happy that we made it
Yes.
this far.
I'm bound by nothing.
Oh,
Jeremy ba user na Jeremy?
it wherever
Yung pangalawa po, Raven. Yeah.
10 years from now, we'll
Ito po yung ID ko. Ayan, nakapin. Asan si Tito Jampol? Di ko rin alam doon. Pabayaan niya siya.
And I'll kiss you good
Oh,
morning.
Donald still has a few
Every
tricks to go.
morning you stay.
It is better to be feared than loved, if you cannot both.
I hope you'd stay. Just stay.
Ayun, directory. Aray ko sa'yo, Amon. Ay ko. Di ako core dyan, guys.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Aray ko.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
I miss being
All
alone
troops deployed.
and staring at the stars on a cold night. Looking for the brightest ones as the sun comes up now. I miss singing
Aray ko,
along
sakit.
with you.
Launch attack.
Oh, every song we sing just feels right. Looking for the right words is so easy when you're around. So do you miss me too?
Launch attack. Okay.
I hope you miss me too. The sun sets, I will be out in the garden. Will you meet me there and we'll dance and we'll dance. Take me back to the time when we started. Take me back to the last. No, when the sun sets, I will be out in the garden. Will you meet me there and we'll dance and we'll dance. Take me back to the time when we started. Take me back to
Si JC gumakal ba to? Oo nga, what's up bro? What's up? Tara, laro tayo. 5v5 lang te. Wala lang, just for fun. Makipaglaro lang sa mga fans. Buti na walang pasok bukas, kaya nga eh. Patay ako. Ay, hindi RD. Kaya hindi ito RD. Oh, this is nothing wrong. Dito round team bro ah. 5v5 lang to. Trip lang.
Enemy battle spell on CD. Enemy reached level 4.
Launch attack.
Sunsets, I will be out in the garden. Will you meet me there and we'll dance and we'll dance. Take me
Hindi ko sa inyo kung ba't nakakati niya.
when we started. Take me back to the last. No, when the sun
Don't go now, then.
in the garden. Will you meet me there and we'll dance and we'll dance. Take me back to the time when we started. Take me back to the last. All this is nothing now. All this is nothing now.
Mapa.
All this is nothing if it's not about you. All this is nothing now. All this is nothing now. All this
Kati nyo. What? Hirap talaga mag ano. Ay ba.
sunsets, I will be out in the garden. Will you meet me there and we'll dance and we'll dance. Take me back to the time when we started. Take me back to the last. When the
Kulit niya ito.
sunsets, I will
Ito.
be out in the garden.
Kulit mo ah.
Be there and we'll dance and we'll dance. Take me back to the time when we started.
Kapit tayo babe.
Take me back to the last. When the sunsets, I will be out in the garden. Will you meet me there and we'll dance and we'll dance. Take me back to the time when we started. Take me back to the last. When the sunsets, I will be out in the garden. Will you meet me there and we'll dance and we'll dance. Take me back to the time when we started. Take me back to the last.
Ito. Yun na yun.
Ult is not ready.
Antok na ako kaya nga walang trill yung kalaban eh. Gutom tuloy ako.
different this time.
Shut down.
Real mayonnaise.
An enemy has been slain.
You
Killing
sell
spree.
me on reasons to want you.
They can't define me.
I don't
My
need you to
choice is
search
invalid.
for the proof that I should.
Good
You
game.
don't have to convince me. You don't
Your
have to be
opinion's
scared
yourself.
here out of me.
Ult is ready.
Cause what we've got going is good.
On my word.
I don't need more reminders of all that's been
The
broken.
enemy has slain the turtle. An
I don't
enemy
need
has
you
been
to
slain.
fix what I'd rather forget.
Ult is ready.
Clear the slate and start over. Try to quiet the voices in your head.
Launch attack.
We can't compete with all that.
Yun lang.
So what if it's us? What if it's us and only us?
Ay, ako nasasaktan sa sarili kong ano eh, no?
Sorry. We can still win. Request
Wala dyan, may kaarong chill.
I don't think too.
enemy double kill. Our turret has been destroyed.
Yun lang, ang dami. Ang dami yan.
Our turret is under attack. Our turret has been destroyed. Our turret is under attack. Shut down. Our turret is under attack.
Bilis ng kamay nun. Kalma! Tigil niyo ako ah. Tama nga bang option? Siguro parang sa com siya pangatake. What do you mean?
Still missing you and I can't see the end
Our
of
turret
it.
is under attack.
Sumasakit pa nga yung music kaysa sa damage yung hero ko eh.
Now all this time is passing by, but I still can't seem to tell you why it hurts me every time I see you. Realize how much
Karma.
I need you.
An ally has
I
been
hate
slain.
you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I'll never be.
Okay.
Untamable. My pain is
Our turret is under attack.
Right after coffee, or
Ult is ready.
I miss you in the front seat.
Sige lang bro.
Understood.
Remember,
Ult
do
is
you
ready.
miss me like I
Launch
miss you?
attack.
Fucked around and got attached to you. Friends can
Your
break
team
your
destroyed a
I'm
turret.
always tired, but never
Mega kill. Initiate retreat.
shit. I put this shit
Gabang red to.
like that shit. I never sex, but I never mind that shit. I never
Enemy double.
never mind that shit.
Salong oh.
down low. You still love me, but your friends don't know. If you wanted me, you would just
What's up,
say so.
Ming Ming?
If I were you, I
Mas
wouldn't let you go.
angas, mas masakit pa yung song kaysa sa Hero. Ang si Hello Ellie. Go, sige, sali na kayo. Napapakanta ko sa song ng Jiro. Ako lang yan. Do I love you, I wish that I want you, you won't care, I need you.
I don't need no one, just want you.
Yo, tinang skin na to eh.
You ever wonder what we could have been? You said you wouldn't and you fucking did. Lied to me, lied with me, but you fucking did. Now I'm drinking on my feelings. Always missing people that I shouldn't be missing. Sometimes you gotta burn some bridges just to create some distance. I know that I control my thoughts and I should stop reminiscing, but I learned from my dad that it's good to have feelings when love and trust are gone. I guess this is moving on. Everyone I do right does me wrong, so every lonely night I sing this song. I hate you.
Sayang.
Nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you. I hate that I want you. You want her and you need her. Down
Bawal yun na talo, tatag ulit siya. Kasi aga-aga pa eh.
the only girl you've ever seen.
You better watch out.
You don't care, you never did.
is under attack.
You don't give a damn about
Zeng, labas ka dito, Zeng!
what you are doing.
Ally has been
Zeng! Come here!
How is it you
Eh, Palto, ba't mo alam? Ba't mo alam? Ba't alam?
slowly killing me?
Our turret has been destroyed.
I hate you, I love you, I hate that I love you. Don't want to, but I can't put nobody else above you. I hate you, I love you, I hate that I want you. You want her, you need her, and I
Di maaga sa akin, alas dos.
You have slain an enemy.
Kinuhog! Aray ko, ano goal mo yan? Rank up or rank down? Sorry, lost trip din ako. Ano yan? Trip lang kami ngayon, guys. Huwag kayo magalala. Ano lang to? 5v5.
Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
I wasn't there.
My choices.
Our turret is under attack. Ult is not ready. Ult is ready. Launch attack.
On my shoulder, all I could do was hold her. Trying to get us closer until the light.
Our base is
I
under
know that
attack.
you love me, but don't need to remind me. I should put it all behind
Request
me.
back. Okay, launch attack.
But I see her in the back of my mind all the time. Like a fever, like I'm burning alive, like the sun.
Delikado dyan pumasok mo.
Did I
Watch my blade. On my words. Now.
Ult is not ready. Enemy lord. Attack enemy lord. Launch attack.
Wala talo. Aray ko sa'yo, bro.
happy and free?
Defeat.
I know that you love
Wait nga lang.
You don't need to remind me. Put it all behind me. I can see her
At the back of my mind.
all the time. It's like a fever, like I'm burning alive, like the sun. Did I cross the line?
Kalag na to. Ayaw niya makik yan. Ready. Ay ko. Magyayabang na naman yung sising dito. Magyayabang yung mag-chat yan. Mag-chat yan dito. Magyayabang yung sising eh. Bro, inaantok na kami. Ako rin, inaantok mga rin. Hindi ko lang bakit.
Still waters run deep.
Your team is banning.
Nice, Nicole.
The enemy is banning.
Ay ko. At the back of my mind. Jeremy, pa-shoutout. Birthday ko. Hello, Victor Cutie. I mean, cute. Hello, Jiror. Hello, Nico. Sabi mo walang patayan. Ikaw na una. Ikaw naninira dyan una. Anong time ko ba siya? I don't know. But I'll end my live ng 1 AM. Gusto ko ng OPM.
I am sovereign of the abyss. The enemy is picking.
Ito na lang.
Please pick a hero.
Ito. Gusto ko sa'yo.
The hunt begins.
The enemy is picking.
The instrumental. Oh my god.
Time and tide wait for no man. Your team is picking.
Mas mapagalitan na nanay kapag nag-overnight. Ako pa matatalo ah.
Please ban a hero.
Ito na. Lamig. Grabe. Oh, mahal.
The enemy is banning.
Grabe yung...
Your
Money
team
all
is
that matters.
Ngunit sa di inaasahang pagkakataon, para bang ika'y nilalaro ng panahon.
Grabe. Grabe yung ano, kanta.
Way or the highway.
The enemy is picking.
I do what I want to do.
Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala ng
Ako'y malaya pa. Panis.
ngayon ang puso ko?
I am a daughter of Northern Vale.
Please
I
pick a
swear
hero.
to protect it till my last breath.
Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala ng ako'y nag-iisa? Sinong ibigin?
Aray ko, sakit niyan.
Ikaw sana.
Grabe na tugtugan. Ayun yung maganda tugtugan, di ba? Anong oras live mo? Until 1 lang po. 1 PM. Di joke lang. ID mo, bro. Wait, guys, can you, guys, yung mga nakakalam ng ID ko, pwede pa send. Thank you.
Nakasama mo siya, kapiling ka niya.
Try lang to, ah.
Bawat
May multo sa likod mo. Anong oras pa lang? Alas 12 pa lang, huy.
puno ng ligay at saya.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
At sa di
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them.
na para
troops
bang
deployed.
ika'y nilalaro ng panahon. Bigla kayong nagyakap, mga labi nyo'y nalapat.
Guys, pwede sumali eh.
Mamamatay, nagtatanong at nangangarap.
Bakit ba ika'y kita kilala na ako'y nagnayapan?
Hindi ngayon ang puso ko may kapiling na. Bakit ba hindi ka nakilala?
Kote ah.
Ako'y nag-iisa. Sino
Ang dami. Ba? Oh. Oh Lord already. Thunder. Okay, bro. Yun lang. Uy, grabe ka na. Batok naman to. Gigil ako na itong kagura na to. Wala, hindi na kaya ako marunong pani. Uy, aray ko sa'yo.
I will fight alongside you, brother.
Hindi na ako marunong.
The enemy has slain the turret.
Enemy level 4.
Sinong ibigin?
Kalmahan mo lang.
You tag-alongs can't even touch my shadow.
Di, ayaw na ng ano. Ayaw mo na ng
Some birds are more meant to be caged.
cable ko.
Landing on a surprise attack. Enemy battle spell on CD.
Uy, ayaw mo na.
Circle swing.
Ganon.
Team destroyed a turret.
I will fight alongside you, brother.
Mahal lang yan at. Walking funny na. Sing. Mahal lang yan. Ingay naman ng ano mo.
Any place within order me.
Paano ba man lambing ang isang Jeremy? Secret. Bawal niya malaman yun. Ay!
Initiate control phase.
Paano ba man lambing? Secret. Lakas naman di ko yan.
Request backup.
Sige, sundan niyo ako dito. Grabe naman flame shot to si ano, Kagura.
An enemy has been slain.
Ikaw ba kasi napipindot yung second? Oh, Jotri ko kumapit no? Hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko dyan. Sika. Good night, Jutsi ni Sina. Huwag ka na mag-spam. Thank you. Hindi, ba't ang bilis naman? Bilis mo wala ng mana niya, ano? Pero hanggang 1 AM lang ang team.
Understood.
Ayaw talaga tumama.
Initiate retreat.
Huwag mo!
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Loko na. Pabuhat po. Sige, kapag nag-rank. Wait na lang.
Initiate retreat. Your team destroyed an enemy has been slain. Double kill.
Wait lang guys ha.
Understood.
Initiate retreat.
Rico, hindi naman tumama.
Launch attack. Mega kill. Request backup. Okay. Request backup. Double kill.
Hehe. Ang sana lang ay nakita mo. Botok to. Nagsusulo si Aizer.
Understood.
Pal. Hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan. Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. Joke lang.
Double kill.
Doktor si Aizer. Minyak. Oo. Patok. Wow. Kailangan ay makita mo. Sa halagang picture.
Initiate retreat.
Wala, wala tumatama. Kaya yun. Lit. Kukulit nila. Ego. Upos.
Para nating happen.
Our turret has been destroyed.
Para nating happen.
Request backup.
O, diba dapat kayo nakikinig? Para di ba magaganda? Go.
Enemy battle spell on CD.
Any place is within reach for me.
Ubus.
Legendary.
Ubus na naman sila.
Triple kill.
Hindi pa to last hit. Yo, JC, tara!
Victory!
Sa bawat salitang masaktan, may mo
Death is our way of life.
Wait lang, kalma. Wag muna. Pagani muna. Ay. Aray ko sa inyo. Ano si JC? Huwag nga muna. Ano si JC? Ay, ayoko na nga maglabi.
Revere the abyss
Ay ko sa inyo.
in my name alone.
Wala naman siya. Ito na, ano lang tayo guys. Ito na lang tayo. Kukulit niya eh. Di joke lang. Ball na lang tayo. Wala. Ball muna tayo. Mamaya na ulit. Natin ko sa inyo. Dami pa rin nanonood kaya nga eh. Miss ka mag-billiards ah. Ay. Hindi pa pumasok yun eh. Ano-anong game Majira? Secret? Uy, sayang hindi pumasok ng pato. Nakakulong yung ano dyan. Dress. Kaya na pakawalan yung dress doon. Ay, hindi. Kaya. Aray ko, parang tanga to. Pagod at sugatan.
Pag-ahon ko sa lupa'y iwanan lang naman. Walang nag-iba. Talo na naman tayo.
Sige, sipatin mo. Kailangan sipatin eh. Ah, diba? Kalma, huwag ka lalagpas. Ah.
Baka pwede lang kahit isang saglit. Masabi lang na merong konting pagtingin. Baka pwede lang kahit pa basarin. Sa sarili ko'y magsisinungaling.
Ah, di ba panalo tayo? Tanga.
Kausap ang tala at buwan.
Yun lang.
Hintay ng meron sa gitna ng
Buti na
kamalan.
lang.
Natutong lumipat kahit
Pagod at sugatan.
pag-ahon ko sa lupa'y iwanan lang naman.
Ayun, talo pa rin. Galing. COC na lang tayo. COC. Mata ako. Isang trip lang tayo guys na. Ang dami pera na ito. So, ubos pera na ito. Pala hindi. Ba't napunta dito lahat? Ang galing. Natutong lumipad tayo. Ibay nilo, sige. Daming online sa Roblox ah. Uy, narinig ko na yung Roblox. Madami na mag-open ng Roblox yan. Lah, hindi ko na... 3-star ko ako. Yay! Eto na. Ayan ang gusto nyo guys. Ganda ba to? The version of Roblox may be out of date. O naman yan, kailangan pa mag-update. Walang pipigil sa atin kung hindi ngayon aasa pa. Guys, hindi pa nakapag-update. Paano na to? Wait lang ha. Pagkakataon. Ayun, installing Roblox na. Yay! sa atin kung hindi yun aasa ka. 99 Nights in the Forest. Tara nga, try nga natin to. Maganda ba? Maganda ba ito? Maganda ba ito, guys? At sa bawat minuto, report were made of one deer something on two legs in an unnatural way in the forest. The following week, 4 children went missing. It was clear something was very, very wrong with the forest. Okay na, wag na kailangan. Uy, dami nyo kagad dito ah. Teleportasyon. Sandali. Ganda yan, laro tayo pre. Sige. Sige pre. Mahuling what? Ang gagawin dito? Wait, what? So ito. Sige. Kailangan padalhin to ba naman yan? Kailangan pa ba atin? Dami na mga alam na ito. Katamad lang ako. Ito kasi ano. Oh, diba? Pahingin kami nags. Yay. Meron pang nags dito. Ayaw nyo kuhain. Pwede ba ako dito? Ay, bawal. Oo. Merong pingilags. Ayan na. Oh, level progress. Agnes. The map has grown bigger. Oh my god. So happy. Bunny craft. Di not enough wood. To. Ayan o. Oh, ayan o. To. Oh. Oh. Not enough pa yan. Bigil mo ako ah. Oh, di pa ba? Ready na. Ay, crafting bench. Meron ako nun. Meron na ako. Ano to? Laki na mapa. Agnes. Ay naman, mag-rotate. Bunny trap. Agnes. Ako yung builder nila dito. Lang. At dalawa. Hello! Uy, nasa na kayo? Gabi na oh. Uy, gabi na. Saan ito mga to? Uy, wala na tayong ano. Tara. Okay. Yan. Nasunog ba ako dito? Oo. Old sack, what is this? Asan yung multo dito? Guys, I can accept na kasi puno na aking ano, mga friends dito. Set. May lags dito oh. Anong gagawin sa sack? Kailangan ba yun? Lo. Lo. Aray ko. Ang galing. Pwede mag-store pala doon. Ang galing. Yay. Okay, sige. Thank you. Oo, doon mo lalagay yung logs. Thank you. Agnes. Pwede rin ako kumuha ng tubig dito. Bowl. Baduy. May silver metal, oh. Kailangan namin yan, di ba? Wow! May fishing rod. Yay! With more XP. Paano magano dito? Tweet! Hey! Paano magano dito? Backspace? Paano? Ang galing. Ang galing. You should cook meat before eating. Ay, sorry ha. Ano yan? Ang galing. Gumising ka at nang nakita mo matamis na sandali. A missing child is rescued. Wow, thank you. Hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan. Kain daw ako. Wow. Uy, may stick. Sana all. Yay. Ang galing nila mag Asan yung axe ko? Uy, sama ng ugali nito. Pinapatay yung Uy, meron pa dito. Patay mo! Uy, sarap. Tago. Yak lang. Paano ba laruin to? Hindi pa luto. Ay, sorry ha. Kaya kong patayin. Daming manok dito. Oh. Kailangan nyo to. Ay, nangyari. Oo, kailangan na. Hanggang ang puso'y wala na. Tulog mo na ako. Ay, lagay mo sa fire yung food. Ayan ka na. Kailangan ba muna sa manok? Okay na yan. Saan yung pagkain? Wala pa nga, hindi pa nga luto. Ay, luto na. Leather body. Agnes. Pagkaw ng ating walang hanggan. Guys, may lag wall na ako. Agnes. Nabawal na dito. Para ba maglaro nito? Ano yan? Ako'y maghihintay. Hanap tayo wood. Uy, takbo. Gusto mo patay ka ngayon. Takbo. Palsak. Asan yan? Diba? Galing. Natututunan ko na siya. Patay ka ulit sa akin. Tara dito. Patay. Ay, mali. Anak ni Jeremy. Huy, may anak ako dito. Wala pa nga akong ano. Pinatay yung rabbit. Sorry ha. Uy. Uy. Pwede ko na ito kainin ha. Oo nga, pwede na. Guys, may ano ako dito. Uy, may wolf po. Dito, dito. Hindi na kaya. Bagal naman ang ano dito, araw. Panis. May prutas na tayo. May isda. Kagatin mo. Ang ito, di ako pa kailangan pang umalis. Wala, pang. O, di ba ang galing ko? Malapit, layo na layo. At lumayo, labo na labo. Ika'y malabo, ako'y malabo. Okay, bilisan nyo, kagatin nyo, gabi na oh. Pang. Uy, ano to? Yan na dito. Uy! Oh my god! Ano yan? Pwede pa ito, ano yan? Patayin? Tapos, tatayo. Kasi ikaw ang pang... Uy, sundan natin yun. Uy, meron dito isa. Bakit pa kailangan pang umalis? Ano na pangawag ko na? Uy, alauna na. Uy, may radyo. Alawa na. Uy, may mga ba ano? May logs pa dito. Lapit na lapit. Ako'y lalapit. Layo na layo. At kalumalayo. Guys, bye-bye. It's already 1. So, yun lang. Manayam na, yay! Tapos na ang pagre-relapse, tayo ay matulog na. Okay. So yun, I wanna say thank you for spending time with me again. Kahit anong oras na naman, di ba? Kasi wala tayong pasok. Okay lang yan, kapag walang pasok. Ba't kapag may mga pasok tayo? Siyempre, kailangan natin matulog na maaga. So yun lang. Pero what if? Uy, joke lang. What if na naman kayo? Ayun lang.